Hey guys, so if you're a fan of subscription services, if you're a fan of super cute underwear, then stick around because this video is for you. It's Becky and welcome to my channel. I'm a plus size YouTuber doing fashion, beauty, lifestyle content, stuff like that. So if that sounds something you're interested in, then hit that big red subscribe button down below. Looks something like this cushion here. Give this video a big thumbs up. It really means the world to me when you enjoy my videos, and also leave me some lovely comments down below. So first off, I just want to start saying that this video is sponsored by Knotty Knickers. So Knotty Knickers is a knicker subscription service. So it's super awesome. Basically, every month you can choose between 1 to 3 knickers to be delivered directly to your door. So prices start from $3.99 and you have 3 different options. You have the nice knickers, which are more kind of like brief style knickers. You have the naughty knickers, which are thongs, and then you also have a set where you can mix and match, so they'll send you some thongs, some full brief type things, so it's really super customizable to your preference. And the best thing about the subscription service is it's really size inclusive, so it goes from extra small to 3XL. It's so awesome for them to have included bigger sizing, because sometimes with stuff like this we tend to get forgotten about, so super exciting that they go all the way up to a 3XL. So I thought it'd be super fun if we look at the knickers I got together. So I know what colours I've got, but I have no idea on the style, so I thought it'd be really fun if we open them up together. So first off, just so you know, they do just come in completely plain white packaging. It doesn't say anything on here about knickers or anything, so your neighbours and your postman aren't going to know that you're getting yourself a little cheeky pants subscription service every month. So that's great. Mine got a bit beat up by the postman, obviously not their fault, but yeah, my little envelope's looking a little bit worse for wear. So I chose the nice set. So if I don't really wear thongs, I'm all about the comfort, so I went for a nice set in a 3XL because I wasn't really sure you know, what their sizing would be like, so that's what we're going to find out in this video, and I just thought I'd rather have them bigger than too small. So here are the 3 I got. So I've got like a black and a blue. These look absolutely gorgeous. And I love the packaging. It's got Knotty Knickers on there, and then it says get knotty, hashtag get knotty on the back, and the little bags are recyclable as well. Then we've got this really fun bright green pair. How fun are they? And then this pair looks really interesting. It's like a lavender, kind of matches my nail here with black outline trim. So let's open them and see what they look like. So going for the blue and the black first. I love the fact that it's completely random. It makes it really fun. Oh, they feel really nice and soft, but like stretchy as well. Wowee, these are so pretty. They are also really big, so yeah, I think these would probably fit up to a size UK 26. But how gorgeous are these? They have these gorgeous little kind of like peepholes on the side. Oh, they're so pretty. I think this would look amazing with just a plain black bra, because obviously if you're into sets, you're obviously not going to have a set bra, but I think with a pair of knickers like this, a black bra will look so nice. And I love this. It's like a metallic blue. It's so hard to show on camera, and you see there's like shimmer in it. Absolutely stunning. Yes, there's 2 little bows where those little kind of peepholes are. You have a little, I think that's a cotton gusset. That word gusset, horrible. But yeah, I think these knickers are absolutely stunning. I can't wait to try them on, not in this video though, might I add. But yeah, these are absolutely gorgeous. I think as well this kind of like cut off lace detailing will look really nice across your backside. It will just look really pretty. So yeah, I think we've got a winner with the first pair of knickers. Then onto our green pair. So St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner, so I think I'll have to wear these ones on that day. As we can't go out and celebrate in the pub, I'll just wear some green knickers. Oh, so these are really fun. They're just a plain green lace knicker. Ooh. But obviously I think because obviously they're bright green, I think that's kind of like, you wouldn't really want too much more, you know, going on. And again, I think this would just look really fun with a black bra if you're worried about matching. Again, we've got another cotton gusset. Obviously really good if you are going to be wearing these all day and not just in the bedroom. But yeah, these are really fun. Again, quite stretchy. I feel like the other pair were a little bit stretchier, but these are still like a really good size, and I think you're going to have great bum coverage. And again, you've got that really cute kind of like lace outline kind of to go against your skin, which will look really pretty and flattering. So again, I think we've got another winner. Now this final pair I think I'm the most intrigued about, just because of the lilac with the black trim. I'm really interested to know where the black trim's going. Maybe they're kind of like are they like called girl boxes? Maybe they're a bit like girl boxes, I don't know, let's find out. Super soft. Oh, who else loves putting on a brand new pair of knickers, or when they're straight out of the packet and they've all folded up and then you put them on? Oh, it feels so good. Ooh, oh my gosh, I think these are my favorite. Oh my god, I love these. So again, with the black, it just means that you can add these to a black bra and it kind of looks a bit more set like. If I'm honest, I'm not one for sets unless I'm specifically wearing a set for a specific occasion. Just during the day, just during the week, just living my life, I just grab the first pair on top with whatever bra I'm wearing. But these ones are so cute. So you've got like a cotton middle part here, again with a cotton gusset. I'm sorry I'm saying that word so many times. With this black kind of cotton elastic outlining, but then you've got these gorgeous lace side panels, which just make these quite I guess it would have been quite an ordinary kind of like basic knicker, and it's just kind of like escalated them to something quite sexy, but also something super comfortable. I also think these are quite high rise as well. I think these are the highest rise we've got. These are definitely my favourite pair. Saved the best till last. That was so fun. I'm kind of surprised how fun that was, like unboxing random knickers. I think if you've got like a friend's birthday coming up, or you just like to treat yourself just to something really fun, this is something really different, but you will get your like money's worth out of it. I think sometimes with these subscription boxes, especially like beauty ones, sometimes you get a lot of stuff that like you don't use, and you just end up kind of just putting it in the drawer or in your bathroom and never using it. But I will definitely be using these knickers all the time, and I think that's really fun. So yeah, it's from $3.99 a month. They go from extra small to 3XL. These are a 3XL. I will say they're probably gonna fit up to a UK 26, a small UK 26, I would say. But they are stretchy. All three pairs were really nicely stretchy as well. So you can choose up to 3 knickers a month or every other month. And yeah, I think it's a really fun service to try out. It could be a great gift to send to a girlfriend if you're kind of stuck on what to buy them. It'd be a really fun but also practical gift. So yeah, I actually really recommend the brand. Thank you so much to Knotty Knickers for sponsoring this video, and also thank you for being so size inclusive. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and you haven't yet, hit that big red subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, and leave me comments below on if you're planning on maybe taking up the subscription, or what your favourite knickers are. That's what we all want to know, isn't it? What knickers everyone wears. So guys, I hope you're staying all safe and well, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!